The wide range of macros that are available in Confluence can help enhance your documents and add important information to them in a structured and easy to read format. And if you're using workflows for Confluence, you might want to display the current workflow status of a page or other important information such as the approval team for that particular stage of the workflow. With our powerful metadata macro, this is made really easy for you. And in this short video, I'll show you how to set up the macro and then use it in your own pages. So with that being said, let's jump in. So with your documents, you may wish to add macros to the Confluence page that reflect the workflow status, but also give you some additional metadata that might be important to that document. And what you can see here on this disciplinary records page is that we've added 3 macros into the table. One for the workflow status, which reflects the status at the top of the page. The second one for the approvers at the current stage of review. And the third one is the last date it was transitioned through the workflow. So when did it move from the last status to this current status? Now these macros will update live, so as you transition through the workflow, it will update accordingly. And they're really easy to add to the page, so let's walk through how to do that now. So first I'm going to jump to a page that doesn't have any macros included. So we're here, another page, we're in edit mode, and as you can see there's a table here, but it has 3 blank rows, and this is where the workflow macros would sit. So to add a macro, just do the /workflow, and here you have the workflow metadata option. If you click on that, on the right hand side a panel will open up that gives you several options. You have the workflow status, approvers list, and transition date. So for this one we're going to select the workflow status, and as you can see that has updated to reflect the current status for the page. Next up we're going to add the approvers. Just click into here and select approvers list. And finally, the date of last transition, so transition date from the option here. That is all 3 set. Just click publish on the page. And all 3 macros are here and they will update as we move through the workflow. So as an example, let's just move this to the next stage. And you'll see the approver now appears within the row itself. And there we have it. That's a quick run through of how you can use the workflow macros in your Confluence pages. If you're new to workflows and considering trying it out, you can get a free 30-day trial on the Atlassian Marketplace by following the link in the video description below. And just remember, we're here to help you get the most out of workflows. So if you want to learn more about the features in this product, be sure to check out our user guides by following the link shown on the screen now. Or if you have any questions, just send an email to support@fox.io and one of our customer support team will be happy to help.